Here's a quick review for Base44. Base44 is accessible on Google, Chrome, and Safari. As you can see, as I search it on Google, there is a first page that I can just go ahead and click and it will now direct me on the application. Now, Base44 can make your reality or dreams into reality. It is also very easy to use because you can just go ahead and add prompts on the other side of the box, and then you can just go ahead and log in so that you can go ahead and have the result of your prompts. You can also have different prompts such as gaming platform, onboarding portal, networking app, and room visualizer. These are the prompts that you can ask to Base44 and it will direct you or create you the result. You can also consider yourself as limitless when you use this kind of application. Also, it is backends built in automatically. Now, if you want an AI generation or an app that can create you different websites, you can go ahead and use Base44 because it can make your dreams into reality.